Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming quick prerequisites so you can act fast. First, make sure the lost phone had location services and internet enabled when you last used it. This increases accuracy. Next, from a computer or friend's device, you sign into the appropriate service. Find My iPhone for Apple or Find My Device for Android, using your account. Once done, trigger a sound or lock the device and display a message so anyone nearby can help, and proceed to the map for precise positioning. You now focus on narrowing down the location and planning retrieval. Look at the map details, note the timestamp and confidence radius so you know how recent and accurate the spot is. If the device appears within a short walk, play a sound and approach carefully. Make sure someone accompanies you. If it's farther away, use turn-by-turn navigation to the last known spot and avoid confronting anyone suspicious. Also, mark the device as lost and watch for location updates while moving. You finish by securing your data and deciding whether to recover or wipe the phone. First, lock the device remotely and display a contact number so a finder can reach you. Keep tracking enabled to watch for movement. If you cannot retrieve it or suspect theft, choose Remote Erase to protect personal information. Be aware this may disable further tracking. If something goes wrong, make sure you're signed into the correct account, verify network status, and consider the phone's battery level as it affects location updates.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.